Come in. Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Hi, we're from AIM Solutions.
You have 3 minutes. Look at the timer. Sit down. Come on.
We're presenting a polystyrene collecting device called Stabby.
Yeah, so where is it? Alright, show me how it works.
Alright, so we start by flicking the switch which powers the robot. Now it goes into standby mode. The green light turns on and the display shows the number of slams. We press this button to activate.
The robot arm will count down from the number of slams as displayed on the 7-segment display. Upon completing 3 slams, as shown here, the robot arm will spin 180 degrees and begin a self-clean routine.
"12 seconds later." A few moments later.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really cool. You guys are like Mechatronics engineers, right? What kind of Mechatronics components did you use?
No, it's not Megatronics, it's Mechatronics.
Oh, okay.
So here we have the Arduino, which contains all the code and controls the whole system. There's a switch here, which controls the power to the whole robot from the power supply, and a tactile button to take the robot out of standby mode and begin the slams.
Upon initialization using the switch, the robot will activate an LED to show it is in standby mode, a 7-segment display to show the slam count, and the buzzer will play a tone once it is ready. The robot arm is actuated by 2 VTEC continuous servo motors which will communicate with the Arduino via a UART board.
So on the skewer mechanism, we have a servo, continuous rotating servo with the gear here, and there's a timing belt that goes around which spin these gears. As these gears spin, these threaded rods spin, which move this acrylic layer up and down. This self-cleaning acrylic layer pushes the polystyrene off the nails as the polystyrene gets skewered in between the nails.
Control of the nail bed panel is dictated by 3 relay sensors. The first of which is here to detect when the nail bed hits the ground during a slam. The next 2 relays are for when the self-clean panel engages. The first of which is here to detect when the self-clean panel is in a fully descended position. It will disengage. Upon reascending into a rest position, it will ascend until this 3rd relay here is tripped, after which it will stop and return to rest position.
The security picked up these on your way here. What are these, high-tech spiked knuckles or something? These are biosecurity hazard, you know.
No, they're actually skewer beds to test our hypothesis. So they're replaceable with the module on the robotic arm, and they consist of a nail bed and an acrylic plate. This is the self-cleaning plate, and we've varied the spacing of the nails as well as the size or thickness of the nails. So on the arm at the moment, you can see they're 5 millimeters apart, 1.2 millimeter nails, and here we have 10 millimeter spacing, 1.6 millimeter nails.
So this is great work, guys. You can save me a lot of money, and at this rate, I'll be able to buy another Lamborghini next year.
Speaking of, can we discuss our pay?
Your pay. You made a mess of my office. You put polystyrene in my hair, and not to mention the biohazard with your high-tech knuckle dusters or whatever. You pay. This is your pay here.
Funny you bring that up, sir.
Don't bring that out. Put that away.